In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to rank on YouTube effectively in 2025. If you're looking to increase your video visibility and capture a larger audience, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do that using a nifty tool called Ubersuggest. First, you'll need to head over to Ubersuggest at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're there, simply log into your account to get started. This tool is a powerhouse for keyword research and will be our primary resource for optimizing your YouTube content. Now let's move on to searching for your video topic. Think about what your video is about and type that into the search bar. For instance, if your video covers fitness workouts, type in fitness workouts and hit search. This action will trigger Ubersuggest to pull in a wealth of data for our analysis. Next, you'll want to dive into the keyword ideas section. This is where the magic happens. Here, Ubersuggest will present you with a range of insights, including the search volume, which tells you how many people are searching for that topic each month. It also reveals the SEO difficulty, giving you an idea of how competitive it might be to rank highly for those keywords. And then there are related keywords. These are similar phrases that people use and search for. At this stage, focus on long tail keywords. These are phrases that have 3 or more words. They tend to have a higher conversion rate and often lower competition. Look for long tail keywords with high volume but low SEO difficulty. For example, instead of a generic fitness, a more specific home workout for beginners is a smarter choice. Once you've identified the right keywords, it's time to sprinkle them strategically throughout your video. Begin with your video title, ensuring to include your best keyword there. Something like home workout for beginners, no equipment, works perfectly. Then move on to the description area of your video. It's crucial that you incorporate the keyword here naturally a few times. Don't forget to add them in the tag section as well. This optimization assists YouTube in understanding the context of your video, boosting its relevance. We can't overlook the importance of thumbnails and captions. Incorporating your chosen keywords in your thumbnail text and in the captions can significantly enhance both the relevance of your content and the click-through rate. Both of these are key elements for succeeding on YouTube. To further refine your strategy, examine what competitors are doing by typing your keywords into Ubersuggest once more and heading to the top pages or content ideas section. Analyze the leaders in your niche and aim to create an even better, more engaging version of what's already out there. Finally, after your video is live, keep an eye on your YouTube analytics. This will help you identify which keywords are driving the most views. Don't hesitate to refine your titles and descriptions over time by integrating new insights from Ubersuggest to maintain an optimal performance. With these simple yet powerful steps, you'll be well on your way to improving your YouTube ranking with Ubersuggest in 2025. Happy optimizing!